Yeah, we're over to Ricky's garage looking at his latest project. Unbelievable. I didn't realize he was doing this thing. Modified bumpers. It's an old step and toe bumper he modified into custom bumpers. He took another fender and molded on the inside. He's going to make compartments on both sides. There's so many trick things in this thing. He hand fabricated everything. Even ductwork for the AC unit. I love this dual scoop affair. These two scoops are going to stick up through the hood. I don't know, Ricky. I didn't know you did all this. Wow. Hand fabricated all those stanchions. Got a 390 Ford. Here's the recesses in the doors. Here's what it looks like with the hood on. Unreal. I never realized Ricky was a metal master. I love the Continental kit inside. It's got a Corvette spare tire in it. It's got a whole Corvette suspension underneath it. Independent. Staying sanding on the top right now. A lot of hours into these bumpers to make them fit like this. It was an old step and toe truck bumper, upside down. There's the exhaust tips. Backup lights are going to be on both sides of the license plate. Oh, is that right? Yeah, he suicided the doors too. Oh, is that right?
I went to a junkyard and we found one with a big window. So I went and cut it out. Stan and I went and whacked that in about a day and a half.
Yeah, he changed that from a small back window to a big one. I just love the fender inside the fenders. I mean, that was one heck of an idea you had.
I got another one out back, that first one I cut.
Is that right? He did a lot of trick stuff you really can't see, like molding in these scoops, like these here. And he molded some in there, and he's got a deflector that's going to drive the air up into the radiator. Here's the other door, inside of the door.
Tell them it's for sale.
This is another project he had going to 41. Really mean, the whole nose slides forward. He said he'd sell it. Boy, it's just about done too. Just needs paint. You would sell it, really?
The price was right.
Yeah, if the price was right. There was a lot of work into that thing. And here's a 35 Roadster.
That's for sale too.
The 35 Roadster's for sale too?
Yeah.
Everything's there. All the steel fenders, everything. These are the panels for the side compartments in the back. Here's the tailgate.
A regular ugly hinge. That's what it looked like.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, so just made these pieces to cover up the
Cover up.
ugliness.
Cover up the hinges.
All recessed front.
Oh yeah, they're recessed. They go behind the bumper, right? Yep. It's gonna be beautiful.
Market tailgate with a piece of shit that was the redo.
Oh, was it? Here's the chassis for the 35. Scott's built that, right? Scott's rods did the frame. Scott's hot rod. Quick change. A Roush motor.
All aluminum block, 427.
427 all aluminum block. Wow. That 35 is just for sale though. This is the running gear for it. Wire wheels. Whoop. Sticks are falling over here. He bought a donor truck to get the fenders and a lot of the parts.